Hello everybody, I am back to do another wax melting basket slash empties video. I do want to firstly apologize. I know I say this in just about every single video, but they are doing construction outside right now. They're like, I want to say using hammers, but I don't feel like that's correct, but it's what it sounds like. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into my empties. I actually have one more thing to melt today, but I have the time right now to film an empties video, so it's just kind of sitting next to my melter while the other scent finishes, but I was just so excited. So I'll go over everything that I used up. I'll start with this actually. This is from Birdie's Making Sense. This was in Aw Shucks. It was the cute little like corn shapes. I ended up cutting them in half, so I had 4 melts for each. These scent notes were sugar corn pudding, ice cream scoop bread, and a hint of wild berry mousse. This was surprisingly really nice. I say surprisingly because I liked it for bedtime, which I felt was strange, but I felt like it was like kind of a calming scent, so I really did enjoy that. This one was like a shock, I have to say. So this was the big cup from Broadway Wax in Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Scent notes were Jolly Ranchers, Skittles, Gummy Bears, and Rainbow Sherbet, which sounds like a very sweet scent, which it was, but it was so good. It threw so well. I had it in the melter for about 6 hours, and after the 6 hours, I could still smell it, so I just kept melting it till the scent went away. It lasted almost 2 days, and I cut it into 4s. So this was amazing. I really, really enjoyed this. Next up from L3 Waxy Wonders, this was a puppy pack in Leia's Donut Shop. Cinnamon buns, of course, cheesecake, caramel coffee, freshly baked pastries, creamy butter, and bakery air. I really did enjoy this on warm. I did though, however, feel like on warm, all I could really smell was like a coffee scent. I didn't get everything that I got on cold, which was essentially the entire like pastry situation, which kind of made me sad because this was such a good scent, but I still did like it. I do think I would repurchase it because I just really like the way it smells on cold, and it wasn't terrible on warm either. From That Smell Good shop, there's like wax bits in this one. This was a customer blend in Blackberry, Vanilla Buttercream Crunch, and Warm Vanilla Sugar. I melted this at night 3 separate times, and it was so good. So good. I loved this one so much. I would definitely repurchase that one. Another one from L3 Waxy Wonders that was a great nighttime scent. I actually had a lot of good nighttime scents this past couple weeks. This was a puppy pack in Blackberry, Sugar Cookie Royale, and Palo Santo. I can't say enough good things about this blend. It just was so good. Fantastic. Would totally repurchase. I think this is my last one from L3. This was the 4-pack Fluted Tarts in Main Street, which was Dole Whip Cotton Candy Craze. This was amazing, smelled just like Dole Whip. I really loved this one, would totally repurchase that one as well. From Villainous Wax, this was some Brittle in Fairly Odd, which was from their 90s box. Pink Lemonade, Guava Juice, Lime Sherbet, and Fairy Dust. This was so strong, like it just like gave me kind of a headache. I didn't really want to be in the room when I was melting it. I wouldn't repurchase it. It was a great scent, through great, but it was just so like, this was what I expected the Broadway Wax one to be, just like super candy, sweet, strong. That one was really good, and this one leaned a little bit too kind of soury for me. Probably was the Lime Sherbet, so I definitely would not grab that one again. From Nerdy Wax Company, this was in Wuss Puss, Orange, Lemon, Lime, and Berries. I was kind of nervous because on cold, this reminded me of the Cinderella scent from them, which smells like cleaning kitchen lemon kind of to me. This one leaned a little towards that, but I think the berries kind of helped it. It was pretty good on warm. Did not mind that one. Okay, now we're into shop cups. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. This one was from Pink Barn House. It doesn't have the scent notes on here. It was in Ghostbusters, so I had to guess. This one was so good. It's blueberry. It smells like blueberry. On warm, it smelled like blueberry cobbler. Oh, it's one of my favorite scents. So good. Threw really, really well. I was really impressed with this one. Love that one. This is from my shop, which is kind of funny. Fantasy Wax Melts. We must have melted this one like first, and then I waited to melt this one because I didn't even remember we had 2 blueberry scents in here. This is Blueberry Cobbler, which is baked vanilla, sweet blueberries. Again, I just love a good blueberry scent. So good. Loved that one. Another one from Fantasy Wax. This was Sorting Hat, Cinnamon Sugar Pretzel. Cinnamon Sugar Pretzel is such a good scent because like the pretzel shines so much. It was so good. So I really enjoyed that one. From Nerdy Wax, sorry, I just ate like a lollipop, like a caramel apple pop, and like I still feel like I'm trying to get the caramel off the roof of my mouth. I know it's disgusting, I apologize. This is Dante, Fruit Punch, Sour Patch Kids type. This one is really good. I really liked this one too. I felt like this week it was a lot of like Fruit Punch candy scents and then a lot of like soothing scents, the blackberry and like the vanilla and stuff. So it was an interesting couple of weeks, but this one was really great. And then last but not least, from Nerdy Wax, this was in Churros, which is cinnamon, vanilla, and sugar dust. This one actually had really no throw at all. And even on cold, like I can kind of still smell a little bit in here. It's really got like no scent to it, unfortunately. So was not the biggest fan of that one. Okay, my basket is now empty. Let's go ahead and fill it up. I just did the blind pull again because it's just been so fun. I was going to not do it, but like, it's just been so fun. So the first thing I touched, I suppose, was from To the Moon and Back Creations, which I haven't pulled anything from them in such a long time. This is a souffle in Bye Bye Bye, sweet butterscotch, and Captain Crunch berries cereal. I feel like this one is already, hold on, kind of broken apart for me. Did I already cut it? I think I did cut it myself. Oh yeah, this is when I was testing my wax cutter. So I did cut it into 4s already, which is pretty great. Very, very butterscotchy. I'm actually interested to see if I can smell the Captain Crunch berries on this one. So that is Bye 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 from To the Moon and Back Creations. From L3 Waxy Wonders, I have one puppy pack here in Blue Sugar Pretzel Zucchini Bread. There's a lot of little shapes in here, which is really fun. I don't smell any of these when I pull them, so haven't smelled them since I've hauled them, really. Oh, that's gonna be so good. I'm so excited to melt that one. I also feel like I might already have something else in that scent too, so that makes me really excited. I did pull 2 clamshells, which I thought was kind of exciting. The first one here I did not purchase. It was gifted to me. The brand is Books, Tabs, and Wicks. I believe it's an Etsy shop, so I'll link it down below. This is in Mickey Waffles, which is maple syrup and cinnamon. It's really pretty. Very nice. I really like that. I cannot wait to melt that one. Sorry, it just fell. And then the other clam I have is from L3. I didn't even know they sold clams. I got this in a mystery box. This is in cinnamon oatmeal cookies. I remember I got 2 clams from them and they both smelled so dang good. That is so nice. I cannot wait to melt that one. Okay, and then I have a 6-pack here from the That Smell Good shop. This is in Waffle Latte. I actually repurchased this last time I ordered from That Smell Good shop, not even knowing I already had it. It's Belgian waffles, sweet pumpkin, and caramel latte. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Kind of like a fall scent. I cannot wait to melt that one. That's going to be really good. Other fun shapes here. This is from Nerdy Wax Company. It is an unicorn or a unicorn. This is in Tina. It is mango berries and coconut milk. I don't know how I'm going to cut this because this is thick. I might have to cut this into like 4s. That smells really good. I cannot wait to melt that one. Lots of blue stuff too, I just noticed this week. Can't wait to melt that one. Another one from Nerdy Wax Company. This is in Alien Swirling Saucers. This is so cute. This is blood oranges, coconut milk, and orange juice. Very, very orange. I'm interested to see how that one smells while melting. This was a freebie, I believe. Yes, from Birdie's Making Sense. This is in sugared strawberry, marshmallow, fluff, and fruity pebbles. It's a cute little shape here. Super sweet. I cannot wait to melt that one. All right, and then the last like little shape I have is just like a freebie, or I don't know, just something small, a sample from L3 in pink sugar, blue sugar, sugar cookie. That smells nice as well. Okay, then I have 5 shot cups. The first 3 are larger sizes. The first one is from our shop. This was from last year. This is in Grinch, lemon, orange, cardamom, and clove. Smells like a Christmas tree shop. We got some fall stuff in here. We got some Christmas stuff in here. That smells so good. I cannot wait to melt that one. This is from Wit and Wax. I haven't melted anything from Wit and Wax in a while. I'm really excited. This is in Phoebe. This was a friend scent in chocolate chip cookies and maple caramel. The little toppings are so cute. Smells good. I don't think it smells like chocolate chip cookies, but I'm excited to melt it. I hope it smells like chocolate chip cookies on warm. And then the last larger size I have is from Nerdy Wax Company. This is in Rapunzel. I'm just going through all my like Advent stuff from last year from them. This is Magnolia Petals, Orchid Blossoms, and Pink Grapefruit. I love the two-tone here. So pretty. A nice like light floral scent. I feel like that's going to be good to break up some of the bakery slash sugary scents I have here. And then I have 2 small cups. The first one is from Pink Barnhouse in Elsa. I don't know the scent notes here. It's really pretty. Oh, it smells like peppermint. Oh, that's really nice. I cannot wait to melt that one. And then the last one is from our shop from the SPC collab we did in Dream, which is oatmeal, vanilla, and sweet honey. It's gonna be so good to go to sleep to. So nice. Okay, so that is it for my melting basket. A lot of blue stuff, a lot of like bakery slash blue sugar kind of stuff this week. Slash waffles, but I'm very excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's melting basket. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.